Happy 4th of July everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day. Currently, the temperature is around 85 degrees Fahrenheit. And the skies are clear, which means the weather is perfect for the fireworks show tonight. So I hope everyone is excited for that. There have been people that have already started launching fireworks, so the excitement seems to be high. Well, that's all I have to say. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great 4th of July.
I am so excited for the fireworks show tonight. Aren't you, Paul?
You bet I am. I especially can wait for the grand finale. That part is always the best.
I agree, I really like that part too.
Guys, you have to see this.
What is it, David?
Just look at this notification.
Oh my God. What the heck?
I know, right? I think we need to make an EAS about this.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. There have been many reports of fireworks releasing a green gas whenever launched into the air. It is unknown if the gas is toxic, but all residents of Boston are advised to stay indoors and to not release any more fireworks. We may have to cancel the fireworks show, but it's not confirmed at this time. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates as it becomes available.
Hello, and welcome to a random news station. We have some breaking news. There have been several reports of fireworks releasing a green-colored gas whenever they are launched. Right now, we have Joey interviewing someone that witnessed his situation. Joey, are you there?
Yes, right now I am with one of the witnesses from the current situation. Now Kimberly, can you tell us exactly what happened?
Gladly, I was at my friend's house, and we were having a party to celebrate the 4th of July. When one of my friends launched the firework, that's when I saw the green gas leaking out of it. We were so shocked that we ended up throwing away all of the fireworks.
Thank you, Kimberly. Okay, I think it's safe to say that these fireworks shouldn't be launched until the situation is resolved. Back to you, James.
Thank you, Joey. Like what Joey said, do not launch any more fireworks and make sure to stay indoors as well. If you have fireworks with you, authorities will come to your location and dispose them. Thank you for tuning in, and have a safe day.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. It has been confirmed by the CDC that the green gas that has been released by fireworks is extremely toxic. People who have inhaled the gas have experienced many symptoms. Symptoms include, but are not limited to, nausea, dizziness, headaches, blurred vision, coughing, and red eyes. All residents of Boston are strongly advised to stay indoors and to seal all cracks in your home to prevent the gas from getting in. If you have a gas mask, use it to avoid inhaling the gas. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates as it becomes available. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. It has been confirmed that this gas can kill you, as several deaths have been reported from all over Boston and other areas surrounding it. All residents are strongly advised to not go outside unless it's necessary. If you need to go outside, put on a gas mask and be very careful when going outside. Make sure to seal cracks in your home so that the gas doesn't get in. Stay tuned to this station for more information as this situation develops. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. Residents of Boston and surrounding areas, shelter in place immediately. There have been many reports about people being brainwashed by the green gas, and some of those brainwashed people have died a couple of hours later, in some cases 20 minutes. All residents are strongly advised to lock all doors and windows and to gather supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. If someone in your shelter is experiencing symptoms, quarantine them from you and other people immediately. Stay tuned to this station for more information as it becomes available. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Get out of your house immediately. I repeat, get out of your house immediately. It has been revealed that the brainwashed people have put makeshift bombs in people's houses. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate your house immediately. Tie a white or bright-colored towel to your mailbox or doorknob. This will let authorities know that you have followed the evacuation procedures. Make sure to take all necessities with you. Do not leave pets behind. Take them with you. Take only one car per family if you can. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The gas is cleared up, but some brainwashed people are still roaming around the state of Massachusetts. The military has been dispatched to take down the people. All residents are advised to stay inside and to not interfere in the fight. If you need assistance, call your local police department. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates as it becomes available. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear, I repeat, all clear. The military has managed to kill off all of the brainwashed people. All residents are free to exit their shelters. If you evacuated Boston, do not return home, as there may be no home to return to. The government thanks you for your cooperation. All normal programming may now resume.